morning, so that was 50 more, but here we go. Chile, flight 2629, Boeing 787 MAX 8, and from Verona. So now for the gentlemen.
Chile course is also reversed, making to New Zealand. Both reversed in Blackbird.
Windy. There's the 2737. I'm not saying the full thing, it's just easier not to. All the planes seem like Airbuses.
And we have a couple of aircraft passengers across down to departure. Again, not sure which one will go first. I think probably the Brussels Airlines, which is the one who left with the dots. Especially before the dots on that aircraft, it was then the diversity of the Brussels Airlines passengers. It's Brussels Airlines on 2174, and Airbus A319-100, and that aircraft on its way back to Brussels.
Just switch down, there's a Lebanon Embraer 145 and it's an arrival from Inverness.
What?
Being in the hangar, you can get some better videos further forward instead of having this building in your way.
Sure.
So don't use all your storage.